Militaries get the privilege of using any new technology and innovation firsthand. These inventions are bleeding edge, packed with a lot of firepower, and of course, kept under supreme secrecy. Watch some insane military innovations in today's video. While getting inside the battlefield, every step has a risk of stepping into a mine. But what if all the mines get smashed hard and sweep off entirely from your path? The M1150 assault breacher vehicle mostly looks like the cousin of the US military mine and explosives clearing vehicle that clears all the bombs and mines in troops' pathways. But unlike regular combat tanks, this Minesweeper has a mine plow and line charges to clear all the mines. Here, the line charge is firstly launched through a rocket and a 500-foot explosive string that detonates all the mines hidden in the ground. Then, the breacher moves forward with its 15-foot-long mine plow to lift and clear any remaining explosives hidden deep down. The forefront ski arms ensure and guide the plow at a constant depth of 14 inches. Otherwise, the vehicle would have been stuck onto the terrain. However, this assault breacher was first used by US Marines in the Afghanistan-Taliban War in 2009. And now, many other countries are working on their own prototype of ABV, or assault breacher vehicle. In recent years, both commercial and military drones are breaching the privacy and security of humans, such as the incident in 2018, where the president of Venezuela narrowly survived from an attack conquered by two drones carrying explosives in an apparent assassination attempt. Drone Gun is designed to help eliminate that threat. This 56-inch long, 18-inch tall, and 8-inch wide intimidating gun is designed with radio frequency jamming to disrupt operator links and drop drones over 1.5 miles away. An operator just needs to maintain a line of sight and squeeze the trigger. The frequency immediately blocks the video signal of the drone and forces it to land or return to its starting point. Whether it's a tank or a high-maintenance boat, it's a little tricky to understand what this mighty vehicle actually does, but it will be safe to call it a hybrid tank boat. This DARPA captive air amphibious transporter is developed by the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, or in short, DARPA, to dock almost anywhere. The tracks are made of captured air foam blocks that extend like flippers in the water to propel the craft at a top speed of 20 knots, or roughly 23 miles per hour. On the contrary, when the air foam hits the beach, it flattens like those on a tank or a bulldozer. Although it is a prototype for now, the final outcome will be 84 feet long, 34 feet high, and will be able to carry up to 190 tons of cargo, or 3 main battle tanks. It'll also be able to maneuver inland over difficult terrain, such as marshes and mud, and will be able to conquer obstacles 10 feet high. Since the late 19th century, dogs have been the loyal part of every military troop all over the world. These furry partners have helped with jobs ranging from messengers, explosive detection, and attack forces. So while the soldiers are getting the wonder of tech, what will the canines leave behind? Canine Vision, also known as the Rex Specs, is a marvelous French innovation that is designed to level up the canine's ability to advise troops about coming danger. The goggles are attached with a collar and a specially designed canine camera system located on top, so it becomes the eye for troops to assess the situation before sending their soldiers in. Also, it has a radio system for delivering commands to the dog for any emergency situation. Have you ever thought about what will happen if you miss the shot of an enemy in the battlefield? Surely it will end with your death. That may be inspiration for militaries to bring our next insane innovation, IRL Aimbot, in easy words, a self-stirling bullet. In 2014, the United States DARPA presented snipers with a game-changer, a self-guided sniper bullet that uses a real-time optical guidance system to hit the target in any kind of situation, like wind and poor visibility. Even barely experienced shooters can also hit their targets with this innovative sniper bullet. And if the target is moving, the .50 caliber bullet still hits the target accurately. However, the test program of this game-changing bullet ended in 2015, and no further developments of the tech have come out of the wraps. But in 2016, Russia came forward with its own version of the smart bullet, claiming it could hit targets more than 6 miles away. That's our list of most insane military innovations. Tell us which innovation you found the most breathtaking. Or, if you know about any amazing military innovations that we missed on our list, comment down below.